Hey, Doodle's back. Just another quick tutorial. Well, not a tutorial, just a walkthrough of some journals I made using some of the items I've been gathering together from some of the hauls I've done. And this is the finished one. But before I do that, I'm going to show you the materials that I use. A lot of people had asked me from my last video, where did I get or where did I get the gold elastic from? You know, at Hobby Lobby, these were $4.99, but at the end of the season, they had marked them down to 90% off, so I paid 49 cents, and it has three colors, the silver, the gold, and a white. So that was one of the items that I used. Also from Target, some of the little pockets. And they're just adhesive. You just pull them off and stick them wherever you want them. And from the Dollar Tree, some of these wonderful stickers. They were so cute. I was watching a video last night. I forgot who it was, but they really, I said, okay. So this morning I got up and ran to the Dollar Tree to see if I could find some. And I did, and I was very excited. So found 4 packs. So yum, yum, yum. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Also, these little notepads here just says happy thoughts. So hopefully these prompts will kind of excite you about writing in your journal. And then I found these little notepads right here at Dollar General. And they were 90% off, so I think I paid like 15 cents for them or something like that. And the other thing I found at Dollar General, you'll see in the journal, is my calendar that I use. It's a 2-year calendar, 2018-19. And this is the notepad I use, Copper Luxury. And it is from Joann's. And I got it when they were having one of the super deals or whatever. And I paid $5 for it. So far I've made 3 journals, and I still have quite a bit of paper left in there. Lots of pretty words and just real pretty papers. And with cactuses being so popular, I think I may have used all of them with the cactuses. Okay, so lots of good stuff there. Here's 2 of the journals that I've made. That's one. And this is the other one. She believed she could, so she did. And the other one is just, it's the little things in life that makes a big difference. Got this little shaker here. I got this one at Joann's. So I'm going to open this one up. Have the little elastic band there to open. Inside, I put my calendar in one of the little pockets. I did split it on that side so you can have easy access to the calendar. And it's a 2018 and 19 calendar. I covered it with coordinating paper. I glued a little doily here, and it says, be happy, be you. Have a little paper clip here, and they had these rose gold paper clips I picked up this morning. They had these at the Dollar Tree as well today. And this has, I think, 40 or 60 sheets of paper in this little notepad. Here I just took some scrap pieces of my paper, used some of the Dollar Tree stickers on it, and made a little pocket here with little note cards, a little envelope there. It has a little glassine envelope here, a little tuck spot, there, another pocket on the back, more rooms for journaling, another paper clip here, a bookmark, one of the Target pockets with a few journaling cards in it, then another notepad here. This flips up, got several sheets of paper in it, and that is attached to just a cover. And then I made a little pocket here out of a bag, more paper spots for writing. This is the other side of the paper bag here. I covered both sides. And then on the very back cover, just another little inspirational, today I will sparkle. And then to close it, you just take it, pull this around here. So that was one thing I did with that, okay? So let me hurry up and just show you this other one really quick, because I know I get kind of impatient when they last too long. So this is another one here. Cut the cactuses out. I did use some oxidized, Tim Holtz oxidized ink and kind of blushed around the edges. Little gold glitter dots. It opens again. I have a little bow on there. Has the pocket inside that you can put all kinds of little stuff in. These are the Target pockets we talked about. Here is another one of the 2-year calendars from the Dollar Tree. I mean, from Dollar General. Like I said, I paid 15 cents, 10 cents. This is one of those nice. I only found one of these at the Dollar Tree today, and they're, of course, $1. It has lots of papers in it. Got a little paper clip here. And then here is another bookmark. And what I did was just take my leftover pieces of paper, because I hate to waste anything, made it two-sided, fussy cut one of the cactuses and glued it to the top. Then this is another paper clip here. Just pieces of ribbon. Another one of those rose gold color paper clips I found at the Dollar Tree today. That's the back of it. Okay, and then on the back of this notebook, I made a little pocket, and inside of the pocket, there is some journaling cards, as well as from the Target dollar spot, also, a couple of these here, today with the dates and everything. I think these were like $3, but you have a whole bunch of them, and what I tend to do is separate them, maybe put like 4 or 5 in each one. Then here's a pocket here, and on the back of this pocket, what I've done, I've covered the back of it, but then I put another notepad here so you have some more spaces to write and journal on. Some blank sheets of paper. Then another little booklet, and all of these are just held together with the elastic so any of them can be taken out and put back together. A couple little pockets here. More paper. And then just so you like to doodle and color, I found these at the Dollar Tree. They're Post-it notes. So I put a little stack of those. So when you're bored, you got something to do. Another little pocket here, covered on both sides. And again, on the back cover of this one, I've also put another little opportunity to journal. Today, I will sparkle. So again, this goes together. I just put this here. And you can slide your bow to the front wherever you want your bow. Put my little paper clips back on. Love the way that those little rose gold paper clips, how nice they look on there. That's the back of the journal. It has the two where I ran the elastic through. I punched a hole using a teeny tiny 1/8 hole punch about a ½ inch from the ends and ran it through there. Then it comes through to the insides, and what I like to do, let me open this one and show you. I don't see it. Where is this signature on the inside? I tie little, I put little ribbons or cut out some free-form shapes. I think this one, I can find it easier. Yeah, see, I put a little heart on that. I don't know if you can see that. Let me zoom in so you can see that up close. See how that little heart is? And I put that on both sides of it. And also, I like to take a little bit of the glue, and I put a little bit of dot of glue on my knot to stop that knot from becoming a loose. And again, you know, your little envelope is great when you use double-sided paper. And again, just close that right up. I love that. She believed she could, so she did. And this one here, it's the little things in life that makes a big difference. And this one here coordinates with that as well, and this one just says hello. So thank you. That's what I've spent my Saturday doing. I've really enjoyed today. So thanks. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Don't forget, thumbs up if you really like this video. Bye.